We are at Amakusa, which is a place, it's also an island in Kumamoto Prefecture in the Kyushu, southern Kyushu islands of Japan. And we are staying at Amakusa Tenku No Fune, a boutique luxury property. And we are staying at a villa. I guess there's a name for it. We even have our own golf cart. It's not that much of a distance from the main area, but I guess some people like the convenience. So we're staying at Island Deck B. So as you walk in, there's our stuff. All right, so this is the entrance. You come in, I take off my shoes. So it's a two-bedroom place. So as you walk in, this is the first bedroom. All right, so that's the bedroom. Head back out here. And then the bathroom is here. Disinfecting the villa. All right. So you can see two baths. There's one indoor and then one on the balcony. They're both of the onsen variety. It's not running right now, but you push a button and it fills up and it gets temperature is regulated, but it is natural onsen hot springs water. So this is the sink, vanity, and shower, and then the outdoor Dotenburo onsen bath. But we'll take a look at the deck after taking a look at the living room. Denki tsukete. All right, so this is the main living area. Right. And so you have a TV. Here's another sleeping area. Right here. So you have pretty nice privacy because in front of the room, in front of us, is the ocean. So Amakusa has this area has hundreds of little islands. It's actually part of a national park called Amakusa Unzen National Park or Unzen Amakusa National Park. Not sure which. I'm trying to open this place. Oh, there's two locks. One. Let's see if I got that right. Yep, I did. Using one arm. All right. So, we are on the deck. So this is the bridge that connects to the main Kyushu island in Kumamoto. Although there's several islands between here, the Amakusa main island and the main Kyushu island. So what you see is not Kyushu itself. So you have a view, you have green, you have other islands behind this foliage, and then you have mountains beyond that. And you have the onsen bath over here. And a sitting area and then the room behind it. So let's take a look. Should have taken this while running the onsen hot springs bath water. But anyway, so this is where we'll just chill out later this afternoon. And then you can see this is where they have the indoor onsen in the shower, and then the sink beyond that. So anyways, this is Island Villa. I guess it says B in front of the room, so it's Island Villa B at Amakusa Tenku No Fune, a boutique luxury hotel in Amakusa, Kumamoto Prefecture, Kyushu, Japan.